Imagine a world where returning your old modem actually puts money in your pocket. That's exactly what Nomad Internet is aiming to achieve with their new initiative, recyclenomad.com. This revolutionary program not only rewards customers, but also addresses environmental concerns and helps bridge the digital divide in rural areas. In a bold move, Nomad Internet, the leading provider of rural wireless internet in the United States, has launched recyclenomad.com, https://recyclenomad.com. This pioneering platform allows customers to earn cash for returning their old Nomad modems, marking a significant shift from the traditional practices of the internet service industry. From penalties to perks, a new approach. Historically, internet service providers have imposed fines on customers who fail to return their equipment. Nomad, however, is flipping the script by offering incentives instead. Through recyclenomad.com, any customer with an unused Nomad modem can send it back using a prepaid shipping label and receive a $50 Visa or MasterCard gift card, courtesy of Tremendous. For years, ISPs have penalized customers for not returning devices. "We're changing the game," said Jaden Garza, CEO of Nomad Internet. "Whether you plan to stick with Nomad or not, we'll still pay you $50 for your old modem. It's a win-win. You get some extra cash, and we keep one more device out of a landfill." 2 easy ways to participate. Option 1. Recycle, get rewarded. What to do? Ship back any old Nomad modem using the prepaid label provided. What you get: a $50 gift card, available as Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Venmo, or a direct bank transfer. No strings attached. There are no obligations or hidden fees. Option 2, give Nomad another chance, earn more. If you're open to testing Nomad's upgraded services, you can get 1 month of free service. Receive a $100 gift card after activating and using the service. This option is designed to showcase Nomad's recent improvements and rebuild trust with former customers. Why recyclenomad.com is a game changer. Environmental impact. By keeping thousands of devices out of landfills, Nomad is promoting responsible recycling practices. Social impact. Refurbished modems are distributed to rural families who need affordable and reliable internet access. Customer impact. Instead of being penalized, customers are rewarded, creating a positive return experience that is unprecedented in the ISP industry. RecycleNomad.com is more than just a recycling program, Garza emphasized. It's a way to show our customers that Nomad has evolved. We've expanded our network coverage, upgraded our technology, simplified our plans, and enhanced our customer service. We're inviting people to give us another chance, and we're willing to pay them to do so. A commitment to improvement. Over the past 2 years, Nomad Internet has made substantial investments to improve its service, including network expansion, expanding rural and remote connectivity across America, SIM technology upgrades, introducing smarter, faster devices with seamless activation processes, plan flexibility, offering transparent, affordable plans without contracts, customer service overhaul, implementing a customer-first model with faster response times and proactive support. RecycleNomad.com is a testament to Nomad's commitment to sustainability and customer satisfaction. While traditional ISPs view returns as a cost, Nomad sees them as an opportunity to reward customers, reduce waste, and build goodwill. This is about rebuilding trust, Garza concluded. We acknowledge that not every customer had a perfect experience in the past. RecycleNomad.com is our way of showing that we value our customers, respect their time, and are willing to back our promises with money. About Nomad Internet. Nomad Internet is the nation's largest rural wireless internet provider, connecting rural families, travelers, RVers, and underserved communities across America. With innovative programs like Nomad Cashback and RecycleNomad.com, Nomad is setting new standards for what it means to be a customer-centric ISP, one that not only provides internet, but also pays customers back. For more information, visit www.recyclenomad.com, https://recyclenomad.com. Media contact. Company name, https:// recyclenomad.com-html. Contact person, Manish Roshan. Email contact us php. Prior Nomad Internet launches recyclenomad.com. Phone, 11-281-800-1000. City, Austin. State, Texas. Country, United States. Website, nomadinternet.com. Press release distributed by abnewswire.com. https://www.abnewswire.com. To view the original version on AB Newswire, visit Nomad Internet launches recyclenomad.com, the first ISP that pays customers to return old modems.